And let's loosen this. We are unboxing this desk lamp for my home office. So there's my computer, and I'm going to install this in the back. So let's open it up. So it comes with like a strap. You can see that very good. Comes with this rod. What this is for, I think this is like a bendable rod. And here's the light. This is the tea light that is, and there is the switch, and it comes with a USB charger. There's another rod in here. So this is the part where you attach to the table, and I think that's everything. So it comes with a manual. So let's try to assemble it together. Okay, so you would have to it is actually really long. So as you can see, there are 5 color modes for the lights, warm, the brightness, and let's attach the top piece. So that would be this ball. So you would have to adjust this ball, I think. And see here, hold on. Alright, so it says in here that you're supposed to put this ring like this, and how is this gonna fit? Alright, so I was kind of scared to break this, but you're supposed to snap it. You can hear that. And lock it with this ring. It's right in, and that makes it like telescopic, so it moves. You can adjust it like that. And then let's install it. So I'm gonna try to attach it on the back of my table and show you when I'm done with it. Hold on. So let's go over there and attach this light. So this is about like 14 to 18 inches long. So as you can see, I have attached it on my riser, and here is the light. So let's see if it works. You can adjust it this way, so you can have a light. And let's loosen this. So I have a USB port here, which I can use just for demonstration. Okay, so as you can see, it lit up. And Abe, can you turn up? Let me try to turn it on with the light in the room. Oh, that is really bright. Let's see. And then you can switch the brightness of the lamp. You could also, and then you can dim the light as well. So this is the dimmest, and then there's the daylight. You can increase the, oh, it's really bright. You can decrease. So it has a lot of options. I would prefer like a warm light. And I'm going to turn off the light so you can see how it looks like. Abe, can you turn off the light, please? So that would be how it looks like with a warm light. I can brighten up a little bit. Lights up my hole. And you can back it off if it's too bright. And you can move it like this or like that. And you can tilt it. So it's very adjustable. And you could also lean it down so it's not like glaring in your eyes. That one is just perfect. So you can adjust the lighting, warm, different variations of warm, and then there's the bright, up, down. So that would be all for today. That's the Selfila desk lamp. And I hope this video helps. I'll link the product in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye-bye.